In this video, I will tell you how to use the sniper feature in the NovaBot for the trading. So I will provide that Nova trading bot link in the description below so you guys can check it out. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So what you have to do is to click on the start bot button and it will be redirected to the Telegram option. So here you will see that you will be given a Solana address and you have to create a Solana wallet. So once you have created it, you have to fund it up in order to make a sniper trade. So what you have to do once you have funded your wallet, then go ahead and click on the sniper button right over here. So here you have to provide a few things like the token address which you want to snipe, the amount you want to snipe for. You also have to provide the slippage tolerance percentage in order to complete the snipe. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.